Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Today my video is how to make a bibimbap. This is a vegetable with rice. Before I start, please don't forget subscribe, like and share. Let's go! Okay, start the procedure. This is a beef mix. Saute until the golden brown with vegetable oil or sesame oil. Spinach, cut into 1 inches. Yellow bean sprout. White radish. Eggplant. Same as a size of yellow bean sprout, 2 inches. Spinach, this is if you boil, same like already boil the yellow bean sprout in 15 minutes. Carrots boiled in to 5 minutes. Let's start now. We mix it, sesame oil and sesame seed. Don't put sugar or salt. This is very simple. Same sesame seed and sesame oil. Guys, this is a very nice and very easy to make and spicy food. If you have a comments, please put in my comment section so I can answer, I can reply you. All mix it. Let's go. Yum yum yum. All same procedure. Mix all sesame oil. If you boil the yellow bean sprout 50 minutes. After that, now preparing 1 serving. Oh, very nice. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Fried egg. Round. Or side out. Rice. Up the vegetable. And then top of the rice is egg. And now ready to serve. Additional chili paste 1 spoon, sesame oil 1 spoon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like and share. Bye.